We're being stalked by some bees. So we all jumped out of the car. Charles trying to be all big and bad. That's because he never got attacked by bees. I did.
The teacher told me that bees don't like noise.
Oh, okay. Don't make him angry. He's in there trying to get that cake. Do y'all see him? Y'all can't even see him. I see him. Okay. Don't switch. Shoot, fly. All right. Go. Go. All right. He's back in. He's right there on the door. Slam. If I slam the door.
Where?
Right.
Okay, Charles. Move some fingers.
This is real life. Well, I think he's going.
Move then. I'm not waiting for y'all to get in bed.
Drive.
We're being attacked.
It's real life. I can't even get in the bed because I gotta squeeze through.
We're being attacked, boy.
It would have been gone.
Alright, just leave me behind. Real life. I'm coming. It was real life raw. They wanted that cake. They was like, nah, shawty, anybody got time?